welcome back. So today we're gonna make
brownies,
but the catch is
we're using no hands.
No hands. So yeah, let's get started.
Yeah.
So for these brownies, we obviously want them to be fudgy because obviously.
Who doesn't like a little fudge?
Okay, so I have to figure out how to get this open. I'm gonna put my teeth, okay? No, come on, take it.
Start up! Wait. Wait, let me put it down. I can't put my legs up anymore. Go down, I'm so sore. Okay.
My food all over it. I hurt my chin so much. Okay, ready? Oh! You shake it. Okay, that's enough. Oh my god! Yes! Ew, I don't want to touch them.
That was in the cow poo poo. Cow.
Okay.
I got one.
We have to get it in our mouth.
How many is it?
2. No. You have to crack it. Okay, so I'm just gonna cheat and get a plate to put the eggs on so we don't get it like literally everywhere. So I guess this video isn't very accurate. But yeah. Okay. I'm gonna do my egg first, I guess. Where'd it go?
Ooh.
Now what? This is so nasty.
Never scoop that shit.
Look, I'm supposed to scoop it out. Oh god. How the heck am I supposed to? Success.
Ooh.
Go like, yeah, up there. Too much. Go that way more. Slow. Yeah. Wait, is it how? Oh, yeah. Almost there, I'll tell you when. No, stop. Yes, that's good.
Ooh.
Good job.
While she's doing that, I'm gonna go eat some food.
I can't lift up that far. Is it 3:50? I don't care. It's 3:50 now.
You can do the honors.
You get that side. I'll get this side.
But why the thing in there?
It's so hot. How are we supposed to get it in there?
I don't trust the kid. Don't do it. No. Caitlin, don't be ever get you for birthday.
Oh, I can't touch it with my. Sanka!
I didn't.
Are you done yet? You're taking so long, dude.
Alright, you can do it.
I'm not tall enough to do it. Ta-da! Here, fast. Yay! I'm so over enthusiastic. Okay, bye guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.
You know what that part?